Hello, families, and welcome to 8th grade language arts with Ms. Russell. I want to walk you through a couple of things that will hopefully help your child have the most enjoyable and productive year this year with me. The first thing I want to talk about is the virtual syllabus and also the expanded syllabus, both of which you can find on Schoology. And so if you go to Schoology, in the Curriculum Night folder, you'll see that there's a subfolder there for syllabus. And in there, you'll find the link for my virtual syllabus, either with the QR code or just the link. And then you'll also find the expanded syllabus, the paper syllabus there as well. Also on Schoology, you'll notice, similar to last year, all of our current work will be in the yellow folder, all of our previous work in the blue folder, and then resources you'll find in the green folder. So if a student is missing an assignment and it's already passed, they should go to the previous week's folder. And if they're wondering what their current assignment is, they should look in the yellow folder, and that's where they'll find their list of assignments. One thing that I tell my students is, if I put the work on Schoology, you have to do it. If I just tell you in class or I don't remember to put the work on Schoology, you do not have to do it. So it's a wonderful way for them to know certainly the work that they're required to do for that week. I also will send out an email to them at the beginning of the week, letting them know that the work has been posted for the week, and so they don't have to keep checking repeatedly throughout the week. I'll have it set on Monday, and then I'll send out an email for the work that's due that week. You'll also notice in the Curriculum Night folder that there's a link to book a family conversation. I've met with a number of you. They've been delightful visits, and I'm hoping to meet with the rest of you sometime during the month of October. So I have Thursdays booked from 7 to 9 p.m. So hopefully you can book a time there by clicking on this link. You can also find the link in the updates section. There's a little announcement there with the link. The meeting is about 10 minutes. It's with you and your child, and it's just a chance for me to meet the people who love them most in the world so that I can be the best teacher I can be for them. The next item is OneNote. I will have sent each of you a link, sort of a welcome to language arts email, and in there is the link to your child's OneNote folder. When you go to OneNote, that's where the bulk of our work is. And you'll see in the content library under agendas, every single day has its own agenda with what we're going to be doing that day, who is our lexicologist for that day, what the lesson is. This is great for students who want to read ahead and get a sense of what we're going to be doing, or for students who are absent from class so they can follow along at home, or for students who would like to review what we did in class, or if they get distracted halfway during class, they can always go back to the agenda and find where we are. One thing to keep in mind, my little Bitmoji here is sort of my seal of approval that the agenda is closed and I won't be making any changes. And so sometimes if you click on a future day and there's not a Bitmoji there, it means that I'm still in the process of building that agenda. So they shouldn't make too many plans about it. Lastly, there are two more things. One is my communication with you. The more I know about you and your child, the better teacher I can be for them. My goal is to respond to students within 24 hours and families within 48 hours during school days. Also, my office hours are on Mondays and Thursdays from 4 to 5. Students can book those directly with me by emailing me, and they can either take place in the school building at L210, I'm in the basement, or we can schedule a time via Teams. I hope this was helpful. I'm looking forward to meeting those of you I haven't yet met, and to having a fantastic year working and learning with your child. Thank you so much.